Next step after using methods is using objects. So Java is an object-oriented language. That means that everything can be an object. We can create objects just as we need them. And that's exactly what we do here in this example. Now, let's say we want to create a shopping cart. And we have an item on our shopping cart. And that's exactly what we call it. It's a class called shopping cart item. And each of these items has a name, a quantity, and a price. Now, if we create a new shopping cart item, we expect all these values. So we have a constructor, which is called here. So this constructor has these arguments. It expects these values to be given. And then within the constructor, we assign these values from here into our variables inside the object. And if we later want to use these values, we have getters. So we can get the name of the item, we can get the quantity, and we can get the price. But it also allows us to do more. So we can also get the total. Because we have the quantity and the price, we can just return the total price. Now let's go to our main code here. Now in this main code, again, we have some new import that we need as we are using a list of shopping cart items. It's an array list. There are different types of lists in Java, but these are the most used ones, I think. So this items variable will have a list of different shopping cart item objects. Now in this list, we can add items. So items.add, and then we have this new shopping cart item, and we have to define these values. So first the name, a quantity, and the price. And we have some more. So we have three shopping cart items in our items list. And then we have a loop to check to output all our items. So for each shopping cart item in the items, we will just output the name and then a new line with the quantity, a tab, the price equals the total. And we will also calculate the total for all the shopping cart items. So we have here a double total, and for each item in items, we add the total of the item to the total price of our shopping cart. And then at the end, we can output the total price of our shopping cart. Okay, let's run this. So as expected, we first have the name of the first product. Then we have some space and tabs to show us how many of them are in the cart. So there's one Raspberry Pi of 59 euros. There's two cables, a power supply, and the total price of our shopping cart will be 81 euros. Now, you can play with this a bit again. We just comment some of these lines, run it again, and now we only have one item in the shopping cart, and this is the total price.